Do you have to know how to program to work in-game audio? Generally speaking, no, you don't. It's certainly helpful to have a little bit of programming experience like C# or Lua under your belt, but you don't necessarily need to know it. In fact, I'm not very good at it. I know a little bit, and that actually makes me more useful to the teams that I'm working with, but I am by no means a programmer. Now, if you know a little bit, that means you'll be able to do a little bit more on the technical side of things, like implementation and working with that end of things. But even if you don't know any programming, you can still work with software like Fmod or Wise and implement your music and sound into a game without too much issue, especially if you have good programmer support on the teams that you're working with. So no, you don't need to know programming to work in game audio, but it's certainly a good idea to know a little bit about every aspect of game development, not just programming, so you can be super useful to your team and know what every aspect is doing so that you can contribute as best as you possibly can. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.